Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do this simple cut crease with winged eyeliner. Just taking my NYX primer spray, I am going to spray this all over my face quite liberally, making sure my face gets really nice and wet. Contouring with my NYX Cream Contour palette. I am going to use the highlighting shades underneath my eyes. On my chin, my nose, and eyebrows. Taking my contour shades and doing this on the hollows of my cheekbones. Down the sides of my nose. Just taking my Morphe brush and my Estée Lauder foundation, I am going to be buffing this all into the skin. I was watching RuPaul's Drag Race in the background and I was finding it funny, obviously. I love how all these products look together, they just create a really nice base for my face. Next, taking a small fluffy eyeshadow brush and my Morphe Artistry palette, and this is Social Butterfly. I'm taking the brown shade and just sweeping this across my eyelids. We're going to do a cut crease, so dot on the eyelid and look up and then follow the shape and use your concealer to fill in. Sparkly shade from the Morphe palette, we're going to use our fingers and press this in our eyelids. Next, taking my eyeliner, and this is NYX That's the Point. We're going to do some winged eyeliner. Next, applying some coats of mascara to the lashes, wiggling backwards and forwards. And this is the finished look. We're just going to put some lip gloss on, and this is NYX Filler Instinct, and it's a really nice lip gloss. It really tingles your lips. This is the final look. Hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe. I'll be back with some more videos. Bye!